Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be posting a video on how to do this cool card trick. It's like a predicting card trick, so I'm going to go ahead and shuffle the cards a little bit before we get started. Also, I'm babysitting, so the noise in the background is just my sisters watching their shows. Okay, so this card trick mainly is just to predict which card is in a certain pile. So what you're gonna do is just put one card down. So let's say ace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Queen. Queen equals 12, so 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ace. So ace equals 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Jack goes 11 to 12 and 13. Okay, there we go. So the next part is you're gonna pick out 3 stacks to flip over. So I'm gonna choose this one here. This stack, and then I'm gonna choose this stack, and I'll choose this stack. Now with the other stacks of cards, like this one and that one and the rest of them, I'm gonna put them all in one stack, and I'll use them in just a second. Put the other stacks that are flipped over in a row of 3. Now get the remaining cards that you have left, and then after that you're gonna put 10 down, so 3, 6, 9, and 10. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to flip over a card on 2 of the stacks. So let's see, I'm going to do this one and this one. So an ace and a 5. So I'm going to do 5. So 3, 2, that's 5. And then 1 card for ace. So I'm going to make a prediction. I'm going to make a prediction that this card on the last stack is the number 6. Let's flip it over. Boom. Let me show you a tutorial how to do this so you can see. First card is 6, so we're going to lead up all the way to 13 cards. Make sure it's 13. Next card, make sure that card's 13. So this card you start on is really just going to be like, let's say, like that card, 5. All the way up, you're going to go up to 13. Each card after 5 would be 1. So keep going on with that little pattern all the way up to 7 stacks. If you don't do 7 stacks exactly, then this trick won't work. Okay, so now you're just gonna go ahead and flip over 3 stacks. Now if you're gonna do this to a friend, make sure you're not looking at the stacks, so that way you can make it a little bit more like cooler, if you would say that. And then do the same thing as I did, put all the rest of the remaining stacks in one, and then you'll use those in a second. Now, once you've done with that, go ahead and put the stacks that are flipped over in a row of 3. And after that, put 10 cards down. So 3, 6, 9, and then 10. Flip a card on both the piles, or 2 of the piles, I mean. And then once you've done that, it's depending on the card, you're gonna put the exact amount of cards down as the number that you flipped over. So as you watch me do here, that number right there was 6. So I'm gonna put 6 cards and then 6 again. So now you're gonna count out the cards. So 2, 4, and then 5. Remember those 5 cards, because that's the exact amount that's going to be on the top of this stack. So flip it over, and it's 5. Please like and subscribe if you're new. I'm going to be posting these card tricks every Wednesday, and video games every Saturday. So stay tuned.